Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of information security, guys. So basically your first question will be, okay, we need security, but why we need this information security? What is the need? Okay, so let us continue. So information is the most important source of every firm to perform in a challenge, to perform in the challenging and to perform operations. Okay, so basically assume you are a company, guys, and you collect data for your you assume that you are a bank. Okay, so your website is a bank website in which you will be giving accounts. Okay, yes, so you will be collecting the data from the users and you will be on behalf of them, you will be taking that data to the bank and you'll be applying accounts for them, guys. Okay, assume that you are a mediator in between them. Okay, yes, so here you are collecting their information, right? So you should be having a proper security, right, with the data, or else it could lead to someone's wrong hand and that could lead to a huge issue, right? Yes, so this is nothing but that is the need, guys. This is the need of this information security. The information should be secured, so that the information could be someone's personal details, or it could be a food formula, like how it is made and all those things, right? It could be passwords, it could be anything, guys. Yes, okay, so companies of all sizes collect and store huge volumes of confidential information. Okay, so the information may be employee details, customer details, any kind of research, any kind of products, okay, or any kind of financial operations, right? So basically few might be storing their own bank transactions and all those money or any kind of things which are really important or really confidential, right? Yes, so any kind of confidential information should be hidden. Yes, that's what it is written here. Okay, so most of this information is collected, processed and stored in the computer and make sure that it doesn't go to wrong hands. So this is the main goal of information security, guys, because if that data goes into a wrong person's hand, that could lead to a hectic issue, right? Yes, he could do anything with that information. We also don't know what he will be doing, right? Yes, that is the reason why we should always have a proper security. Okay, so now let us try to define information security. So information security means protecting information and information systems from unauthorized access or use or disruption or destruction. So basically we are trying to protect our systems from any kind of attacks so that there will be no loss of any kind of information. Okay, so if you ask me, I'll be writing the definitions in this way, guys. So it is defined as a process and methodology including the data or privacy. So basically it includes the privacy of the data which is held by a computer or an organization. As nowadays we all know that data is the power. We get information from data. So it includes the network security, application, database security and all those security, guys. Okay, right. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about information security. So in the next lecture, we will be discussing the history, guys. Okay, so we'll be discussing the history of information security. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.